Tense. Tense is a very important lesson in English grammar. And if you know how to use the tenses, then English will become very easy for you, right? And we have known already what is a tense. A tense shows us time of an action and state of an action. This is in English, there are three tenses: present tense, past tense, and future tense. There are only three tenses in English. But each tense has four forms. Each tense has four forms like present, indefinite, present, continuous, present, perfect continuous. Same past, indefinite, past, continuous, past, perfect continuous. Future, indefinite, future, continuous, future, perfect continuous. So, in this way, we have total 12 tense forms. And in all the 12 tense forms, there is difference in the sentence structure. So today we will know about present tense and which first one, present indefinite. So in this video we will learn how to make sentences with present indefinite, right? And how to change them into interrogative sentences, how to change them into negative sentences. तो आज हम सीखेंगे कैसे एक पॉजिटिव सेंटेंस को इंटेरोगेटिव में चेंज करते हैं, यानी कि कैसे उसका क्वेश्चन बनाते हैं, कैसे उसको नेगेटिव सेंटेंस में चेंज करते हैं. Affirmative sentences, present indefinite. These are example of present indefinite tense. I play chess. मैं चेस खेलता हूं. He goes to office. वो ऑफिस जाता है. It rains. बारिश होती है. We sing a song. We sing a song. हम एक गाना गाते हैं. She goes to market. वह बाजार जाती है. I play football. मैं फुटबॉल खेलता हूं. Always remember, first letter must be capital and there must be a full stop at the end of sentence. पहला अक्षर हमेशा कैपिटल होना चाहिए और लास्ट में फुल स्टॉप होना चाहिए. देन योर सेंटेंस इज कंप्लीट. तब आपका सेंटेंस कंप्लीट होता है. आई प्ले चेस. इसका नेगेटिव क्या हो जाएगा? आई को भी हम प्लूरल सब्जेक्ट में गिनते हैं. सो आई के साथ क्या आएगा? डू नॉट. ही क्या है? सिंगुलर सब्जेक्ट. सो डज नॉट. इट is also singular subject, so does not. We is plural subject, तो plural subject के साथ do not. C singular subject, does not. I do not. I play chess. I do not play chess. He goes to office. He does not go to office. जब हम नेगेटिव बनाते हैं, in negative sentences we use first form of the verb. It rains. It does not rain. We sing a song. We do not sing a song. She goes to market. She does not go to market. I play football. I do not play football. I do not play chess. मैं चेस नहीं खेलता हूँ. He does not go to office. वो ऑफिस नहीं जाता है. It does not rain. बारिश नहीं होती है. We do not sing a song. हम एक गाना नहीं गाते हैं. She does not go to market. वो बाजार नहीं जाती है. I do not play football. मैं फुटबॉल नहीं खेलता हूँ. ये था हमारा नेगेटिव सेंटेंसेस. अब हम देखेंगे इंटेरोगेटिव सेंटेंसेस कैसे बनाते हैं. Now we will see how to change affirmative sentence into interrogative sentence. अब हम जानेंगे affirmative sentence से interrogative sentence कैसे बनाते हैं. I play chess. So our subject is plural, so we use do or do. Do I play chess? And always remember, an interrogative sentence always begin with capital letter and ends with question mark. He goes to office. He, singular, does. It rains. We sing a song. Subject is plural. Do. Subject is singular, so does. He goes to market. Does he go? Do I play chess? क्या मैं चेस खेलता हूँ? Does he go to office? क्या वो ऑफिस जाता है? Does it rains? क्या बारिश होती है? Do we sing a song? क्या हम एक गाना गाते हैं? Does she go to market? क्या वो बाजार जाती है? Do I play football? क्या मैं फुटबॉल खेलता हूँ? Remember one thing, यहाँ पे क्या आ रहा था? S और ES आ रहा था वर्ब की फर्स्ट फॉर्म के साथ. जब हम इंटेरोगेटिव बनाते हैं तब वर्ब की फर्स्ट फॉर्म आती है. तब S और ES का यूज नहीं होता है. तब किसका यूज होता है? Do और does का. और सेंटेंस an interrogative sentence always begin with capital letter and ends with question mark. So whenever you are asking a question, you must put question mark at the end of sentence. Now we will see interrogative negative sentences. तो sentences कैसे भी होंगे? Interrogative भी होंगे और negative भी होंगे. चलो देखते हैं कैसे बनाते हैं interrogative negative sentences. Now we will change affirmative sentences into interrogative negative sentences. So same here, we will use don't or doesn't. I play chess. Don't I play chess? These are interrogative negative sentences. Don't I play chess? क्या मैं चेस नहीं खेलता हूँ? Doesn't he go to office? क्या वो ऑफिस नहीं जाती है? Don't we sing a song? क्या हम ये गाना नहीं गाते हैं? Doesn't she go to market? क्या वो मार्केट नहीं जाती है? Don't I play football? क्या मैं फुटबॉल नहीं खेलता हूँ? तो ये हम कंफर्मेशन के लिए करते हैं। जैसे मैंने कुछ बोला, क्या मैंने ऐसा नहीं बोला? तो हम इसको these sentences are used for affirm। जब हम कुछ पहले बोलते हैं फिर पूछते हैं, जैसे मैंने खेला, आई प्ले क्रिकेट, देन आई विल से डोंट आई प्ले क्रिकेट? क्या मैंने क्रिकेट नहीं खेला? तो इट वाज आवर फर्स्ट lesson of present indefinite tense. So our present indefinite tense is finished, and next topic will be present continuous. And in the same manner, we will learn affirmative sentences, interrogative sentences, negative sentences, and interrogative negative sentences. So, thank you for watching, and you can share this video with your all the friends, and you can invite them in my YouTube channel English with Bhandari Sir.